Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Namecheap and confirming you control the account and admin email. This prevents transfer or deletion issues. Once logged in, go straight to Dashboard, then Domain List, and open the specific domain's management page. Make sure the domain is unlocked and privacy is off if required. These settings block actions otherwise. You do this now so the next steps act on the correct record, and you avoid delays from verification emails or locked status that would interrupt the process. On the management page, you first disable Whois guard or privacy. Namecheap needs the registrant email visible for confirmations. Next, unlink auto-renew and set the domain to unlocked. Locked domains cannot be transferred or deleted. Then choose the appropriate action. Use Modify Domain to delete records or select Transfer Out if moving the domain. Transfer Out will generate an EPP code. You do these steps because they change the domain state, so Namecheap will accept a removal or transfer request without blocking it. Finalize the action by confirming any emails sent to the registrant. Without your reply, the process halts. If transferring, copy the EPP code and disable registrar locks. If deleting, ensure DNS TTLs are low so changes propagate quickly. Make sure to double-check billing holds and domain expiration. These can prevent completion. If something goes wrong, contact Namecheap support with the domain ID and screenshots. This speeds resolution because support can see the current settings and errors you're encountering and advise the exact next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.